Hello, from the beautiful lakeside city of Annecy, where the Annecy International Animation Festival is in full swing. We're here promoting the Animators Survival Kit Animated. Triple Oscar winner Richard Williams was both a great animator and a great teacher and communicator. Through the Animators Survival Kit Animated masterclasses, he conveys with drawing, acting things out, and with over 400 animated examples, how to learn the principles of animation, from the basics to the sophisticated use of the basics. They're suitable for beginners and seasoned animators. These masterclasses were designed for all types of animation, whether it's CG, stop motion, hand-drawn or games, because it's the principles he's teaching which can be used in any form. When we did our first masterclass in Vancouver, 13 Pixar animators came, and we were very surprised that they turned up. Richard said to them, "Why are you here? You're computer animators." They just finished the first Toy Story film. And they said, no, just let's see how the 3 days go. And at the end of the 3 days, they said, everything you're teaching relates to computer animation and beyond. They invited him to visit Pixar, which he did. These 16 masterclasses take students and animators through every aspect of animation, from the bouncing ball to multiple walks and runs, and onto the complexity of dialogue, directing, and designing characters. Teachers use these masterclasses because no one was better than Richard at passing on all he had learned from the great animators of Warner Brothers and Disney from the 1930s and 40s. He taught with great enthusiasm, but most importantly, with such knowledge. Students who attended the masterclasses, and those who have seen the lessons, talk about it changing their whole approach to animation. These timeless masterclasses dig deep into animation with one of the world's greatest animators as your guide. Here I'm going to quote Oscar winner and Pixar director Jan Pinkava. "When an animation great like Richard Williams offers you the fruits of his experience, his knowledge, his craft, packed into a box and fully illustrated with moving pictures, just say thank you and hand over the cash. Then use it."